Hi, welcome to Encycle Hub. In this video, we are discussing questions of NIOS and subject is political science. The question number 1 to 6 we are discussing here. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten assignment. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Question number 1 to 6 that you can see here. So 1 to 3 question is all about the 40 to 60 words, and question number 4 and 5 all about the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 is 500 words, and question number 6 actually a project based question. So if you want these, actually we have prepared all the answers of all the questions of all the subjects. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Here we are for help you anytime and any way, so you can contact anytime so that we can provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and we will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.